morning guys, and welcome to another day in my life. It's a Friday. I only have seminars from Monday to Thursday. Did I have a lie-in? No. I had a call at 8 AM, which was really nice, so I just prepared for that meeting. Now we're gonna have a shower. I'm gonna go to yoga because I'm just stiff and dead. It's gonna be basically a whole day of just studying and doing work because I feel so behind and I have so much to do. The weather is gorgeous. It's gonna be like 19 degrees today. Like, wow, where do we live? What time did you get up today?
4:50, no, 4:45.
I came into uni thinking I got up early and then I shared a room with Fong and she's just like, this girl does not sleep. If I get like 6 hours sleep, my eye bags are like Gucci and Fong just doesn't get eye bags.
No, I do. It's just under my glasses.
Crazy. Okay, so I am at AWS, which is the Amazon workspace. It's basically a cool free co-working space for entrepreneurs and startups in the city and us Minerva students, which is really cool. Today needs to be a day of productivity, so I'm probably going to be in here most of the day just getting stuff done, and I'm going to go to yoga later. I'm currently writing a to-do list of everything that I need to do. All my friends are sat over there. There's also like a cute pool table. They have like free snacks. You can like make yourself tea, which is really sweet. Let's get to work. Okay, so I have a social sciences assignment, which is like an international relations type negotiation essay. I also am planning British 1001, which is like a sharing of culture British event. Considering I'm kind of the only like British person, there's someone who's half Kenyan, half British who's helping me a lot. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work in terms of like cooking and planning food and like planning a presentation for everyone. It's very exciting. I missed a class, so I have loads of makeup work to do. Oh, and some like visa things and internships. It's kind of my day. Let's go. Hello! Okay, so just solid 6 hours of work in AWS and I'm now heading to yoga, so I've just come to the Mission District. They have free yoga, which is really cool. It's like donation based. I'm gonna go to my yoga session, then I need to continue editing later. Bye! Yoga. Let's go Zen. Okay, so I've done yoga and I try and always do my grocery shopping for produce in the Mission because it's a lot cheaper. I just got some fruit and vegetables. I'm gonna make burritos tonight, like tofu burritos. Yeah, I'm gonna head home and start cooking. Birthday of UnJaded Jade. My friend Esther got me this boxing ball. So are you ready? I'm just gonna train.
This is the first thing. She's gonna become a boxer.
No, I can't reach. 2, 1, go. Yeah!
Oh my goodness. Are you in AI?
Hey guys, okay, so it's midnight. Oh, I just had a very long SS meeting. Honestly, no one is productive at this time. I think we all know that. Everyone was so busy. This is the only time we could meet, so we're gonna have another meeting tomorrow because we just did like nothing. But I had a really good evening. I was very impressed with the meal I made. Tofu tacos without actual tortillas, just brown bread. That's a shout. Also, you know when you have certain tasks on your to-do list that you just don't ever do. You just shuffle it onto the next day's to-do list, like constantly. That was me for many tasks. And today I just sat down and I did so many of them, which is just like a slight weight off my shoulders. What am I grateful for today? My casual magic of the day. Okay. Honestly, yoga. Like, I've not done yoga in like 2 weeks and that was just so necessary. It made me feel just like relaxed. But yeah, the main magic, super casual, was just feeling slightly on top of tasks and being productive. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Bye!